Hi everyone, my name is Linda. I'm one of the registered dietitians of the ONIE Project. I hope you enjoy our recipes here. All right, gang, now we're going to make our cilantro lime shrimp bowl. This is one of my favorite recipes. It's got some nice fresh ingredients, and let's get started. We're heating our skillet over medium-high heat. We're going to add the olive oil to it, bell peppers. Okay, you hear that sizzle? And then we're gonna also add the jalapenos, give it a nice little kick. Okay, we're just sauteing this up. Okay, it's gonna look like that. And then I'm going to add the shrimp. You wanna make sure you thaw before you add it to the skillet because it'll help the shrimp cook more evenly. It's because it's so easy to overcook shrimp, it cooks very fast. But we're going to cook this over the medium-high heat for about 3 minutes. And I'm going to also add our red chili flakes, garlic, and then also our cumin. We're just going to mix around. Now this is all cooked. What I'm gonna do is I have this little bowl set aside, and I'm just going to add these to the bowl. And we're just gonna, in the same skillet, we are going to now cook our rice. So I'm going to add my broth and then our 2 cups of brown rice. And we're gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes and we'll see you then. 15 minutes has passed, and let's check on our rice. Yes, it is perfectly done and it's smelling great. We just cooked it in the same pan, so those ingredients that we had in before are all mixed in. I'm just gonna turn it up a bit. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add back in my shrimp and peppers. So I'm gonna very gently stir it together. And then we're gonna add our black beans, the juice of 2 limes, and then cilantro. Really, we don't really need to cook anything in this step because everything's already cooked, but we just want to heat everything back up to temperature. But this is what we're going to work with. Looks like that. And you can serve these up with some tortillas or some tortilla chips. But I hope you try it out and let us know what you think.